Wakefit Innovations, yet another new age company. Will there be any listing gains or is there any risk under the mattress? Watch till the end to find out. So let's get started. We'll go in this format. First, we'll talk about the company. It's the India's largest D2C home and furnitures company. Everyone, most of you are aware of this company. You would have seen it online. They work on end-to-end operations. They work on design. They work on manufacturing. They have a large distribution channel, and they have a very good network, both online and offline stores. And this is not only just mattresses company, they are into a lot of innovations and AI also, mostly driven online. Now they're coming with offline stores also. Basically, if high level you can say it's a mattresses company. 60% of revenue comes from there. As I said, they're in 74 cities now. They operate in COCO model also, company owned, company operated model also. These stores have better profit compared to online stores, so they work on these cities, all 74 cities also. As I said, it's not only mattress, the revenue comes from other two parts also, furniture and furnishing decors like pillows, cushions, kitchen essentials, bed, sofas. So 60% is from mattress, the remaining 40% from other two areas. Okay, it's not only, you can say, just a furniture or a mattress company, it's a total home decor company. If you look at the financials, again, like all other new age companies, they are at loss. Like their income has increased from 820 to 2017 to 2035, a 24 to 28% growth. But again, as you can see, the net profit, though it is reduced in 2024, but again it is bit increased in 2025. But in the September 2025, it is in the positive sign, but does not mean a guarantee that it will be positive throughout the year. But there were a lot of questions regarding the profitability, whether it can be called as, whether it has turned into profitable, we cannot say. But what the management said, that recently off late they had opened a lot of company owned, company operated shops, which included a lot of agreements, rental agreements, lease agreements, which requires upfront cost. And also they are into end-to-end manufacturing. To set up all those plants and other stuff, they had invested a lot of money. So they said predominantly they were in the losses going forward, since the manufacturing is set up and they've already started so many shops. Eventually it would turn into profit, but as of now it's a loss making company, recently turned into profit. If you look at peer comparison, there's only one company, Sheila Foam. I think it's Sleepwell company, that is not doing that great. But Wakefit Innovations is growing very fast, is growing 27% CAGR. PE and other things cannot be compared because it just turned into profit. But valuations are on bit on the higher side, still a loss making company. That is the main thing here. So what is the strength of this Wakefit? It's a fully stacked vertical integrated company. As I said, right, they do design, manufacturing, branding and selling end to end. They don't depend on any other things, so they do it end to end. And also it's a top three in the organized mattress market in terms of physical revenue in 2024. As I said, the revenue, they are growing good, their incomes are, profits are getting good, but still under losses, but they are growing good and they're in the top three. And also the fresh issue which is planned as part of this IPO are also included to open a lot of company owned, company operated stores, like around 200 stores from the IPO funds, which is also a very good point. And as I said, right, in the future also, a lot of people are moving towards this home and furnishing boom. Like more and more people are getting more money, urbanization, income growth, and people are talking about sleep, health focus, all those things. So it is the sector itself is expected to grow. That is a positive thing. And also it's a not only just a normal mattresses company. This is one, they work on a lot of innovations. Like these were one of the first companies to give 100-day return trial offer for mattresses, which no other company had done. And they are working on some AI related things related to sleep cycle and other things, as I showed earlier. So it's involving in terms of AI and futuristic things also. If you look at risk, as I said, right, these things are bulky. The mattresses, other parts, home decors are bulky, requires complex logistics. There are high chances of demands, like damages and returns, impact on margins. Second, most of the foam materials are still imported from the China. There are dependency with China on that. And also, right, these mattresses or wardrobes, you don't buy it often. You buy once in 5 years or 10 years. The low frequency purchases is also one of the major risks. And in this, total size is 1288 CR. Out of that, 377 is a fresh issue, but 71% is still OFS. That is one of the other risk. Now we have looked at both strength and risk. Let's now decode what is the, before that, let's see what are the IPO details. Same 8 to 10, which is the same date as clashing with Corona Remedies IPO. Allotment on 11, refund on 12, listing on 15th. Amount for 14,820 for retail, around 2 lakhs 7,000 approx for SHNI, 10 lakhs 7,000 approx for BHNI. Remember, if you have to apply, you have to go through. I've made a video for Corona Remedies also. The link I've placed in the description. Please review that and also and decide to apply which you want to apply. Before that, please like, share and subscribe channel before I give the final verdict. So final predictions, as I said, right, the anchor book is also released. A total of 33 names are present and the size is around 580 crore. Okay, anchor book, not too great, not too any like international names, decent anchor. GMP is average, 18%. It's not like 40-50%, it's average. Those are the two red flags. Third thing is positive points is recently turned into profits. It's debt free, doesn't have any debt. Innovation focused new age company, as I said, right, they're working a lot of sleep cycle, AI related things and showing good profit with respect to peers. And in the OFS also, right, the promoters are not fully cashing out. They still will have around 30-35% stake in the company. So what I would say is it's a kind of a mixed bag. We cannot say now itself whether we will get good listing gains or not. But what I would just say is I would personally wait till the last day 2 p.m. Check if the QB subs have like cross 50x, 75x. There is no negative trend in the GMP, and also there is no negative in geopolitical news. And then I will apply. But listing gain looks small and flat as of now. So what I would suggest is wait till the last day, see all the things, analyze, do some research and then apply. For now it looks small listing gains, looks on the table but cannot be guaranteed. As I said, I have a video made for Corona Remedies also. Please review that as well since it's closing on the same day. Thank you.